Orangutan from Dunston checks in suffered heart failure. The dog from Airbud lost his life to cancer. The dog from Airbud lost his life to cancer. The Chihuahua from Legally Blonde 2 had to be put down after a stroke. The pit bull from the original Little Rascals 1922 was poisoned. The bear from the great outdoors was euthanized after fighting cancer. Although his most memorable role may have included being embarrassed by a freshly shorn behind in the great outdoors, Bart the Bear had a long career in Hollywood. Born in 1977 in the Baltimore Zoo, the Alaskan grizzly entered the movies at a young age after being adopted by trainers, and eventually grew to stand 9.5 feet tall and weigh 1,500 pounds. Bart made memorable appearances in The Bear, Legends of the Fall, and The Edge, and became such a beloved member of the Hollywood community that the Academy Awards invited him to take the stage at the 1988 Oscars. Doctors diagnosed Bart with cancer in 1989, and he underwent 2 surgeries during which surgeons removed tumors from his paw. The disease didn't slow down Bart's career, however, and he continued appearing in movies until the cancer returned. He began refusing his pain medication in 2000. Trainers made the difficult decision to euthanize the 23-year-old grizzly. The dolphin that played Flipper likely ended her own life. The dolphin that played Flipper likely ended her own life. The whale from Free Willy succumbed to pneumonia after failing to adjust to freedom. The whale from Free Willy succumbed to pneumonia after failing to adjust to freedom. The dog from K9 was fatally injured in the line of duty. The dog from K9 was fatally injured in the line of duty.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.